Video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. At heto, we're doing another vlog, tech vlog. So, nakatingin ako ngayon, no? I'm looking at the brand new smartphone of Honor Philippines. At this March 13, teaser lang tayo. So, tinitignan ko yung phone. Makita nyo ba? Ang tsura niya. Ito siya. This is the brand new smartphone ni Honor Philippines. Ano kaya to, no? Actually, alam ko yung model, no? Pero hindi ko muna i-reveal kasi teaser stage pa lang tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung specs nito. Hindi pa ako nagre-research. At ito yung itsura niya. Ano kaya? Maganda kaya to, no? Pero feeling ko yung kasi yung sinundan niyang model from last year. Okay siya. Yan. At I'm very excited to try this, no? At i-unbox. Actually, naba-unbox ko na hindi ko pa na-video. Pagbabalikan natin yun, no? Hindi pa ako nakapag-set up dito yung mga apps, for example, or account. So, heto na muna. Brand new smartphone from Honor Philippines. No kaya to, no? So, abangan nyo, no? I guess it's this month, no? This month na to, March 2026. Kasi matagal pa naman. March 13 pa lang naman. So, ito pa lang yung itsurang mapapakita natin, no, for the teaser. Ito siya. It's a phone. It's a very cute phone. I'm very excited to try. Mukhang maganda yung camera specs nito, no. Mukhang maganda yung camera specs nito. Ano sa talagay nyo anong model to? Parang ayoko munang i-reveal, no. So, I guess that's it muna, no, for our video for today. Very short, very quick. At if I'm going to get another phone, for example, this is the X5C Plus, no? Papantayin natin siya. Ayan. Magkaiba yung color niya, medyo matapang, no? Medyo ma-colorful to. Ito kasi cyan to, Ito na parang dark blue na ewan. So, ayan. I guess, and I have some phones here na hindi ko pa pwedeng ipakita, no? But still, this is the new smartphone from Honor Philippines. So, abangan ninyo, no? Unboxing, gaming test, photography test, video test. Kapitan natin ng microphone kasi sabi nila some Honor daw, hindi pwedeng kapitan ng microphone. But, nasubukan ko na sa mga ibang Honor ko, okay, gumagana naman. Tsaka meron namang apps kung hindi gumagana, may mga apps naman na pwede yung gamitin para gumana yung microphone. But still, dapat, yun yung parang test na hindi ko na nagagawa lately. But for the future videos, ano natin yan? Gagawin natin. Alright, I end up my video here. So, abangan ninyo kung ano bang phone to na bago from Honor Philippines. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you. Kita-kits sa next video.